Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
So, today I will be an engineer and you will be too. What are we going to do? The magnetic building blocks. Wow! Okay, so what do we have in here? Plenty of magnetic blocks. Magnetic, that sounds fun. Okay, so let's see. Oh, wow! Gigi! So many colors and they stick to each other. Look! Look! That's amazing! It's like magic! Wow! Look at that! Okay, no, it didn't work. Look at that! This is amazing. Look, look, you can stick to each other. Look at that. Okay, this is just me being silly, but let's build something. What do we have in here? We have some choices in here, but first, let's get organized. So what do we have in here? Let's see. What's this? What's this, Gigi? So this is a triangle. And this is a triangle too. But this one is smaller. We call this isosceles triangle.
Yeah.
So we have triangles, they have 3 sides. This is why it's called triangle. Look at that. It's 1 and 2 and 3. 3 sides. Okay, let's move to the other one. This one, it's a square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a square. What's this? This is a trapezium. So what do we have in here? How many sides? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. Wow. This is the biggest one. Look at that. This is smaller than this, but they're kind of similar. Can you see that? Yeah, they're similar, but there's something different about them, and that's the number of their sides. Let's see. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it's a pentagon. And what's this? It's a rhombus, like a diamond. Gigi, you can choose anything from here and I can build it for you. Isn't that amazing? Okay, what do we need? We need like 10 squares. Okay. Oh, look at that. I have like 2 cubes on top of each other. Isn't this amazing?
Wow.
Let's put one more in here. Wow, I love this. Let's try a cabin. It's like a small house. I can use these ones for the cabin, but I need some triangles. Where are the triangles? In here. How many triangles? I would need 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have a cabin. Let's try a bicycle. What do we need for the bicycle? Let's see. We need 6 pieces of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like the way they stick to each other. 3 of these ones. 1, 2, 3. And where are they? In here. Okay. triangle. And I will use the wheels for the car. So what do we need? We need 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 pairs of wheels. Look, you can stick the shapes to the wheels like that. Look. Wow, that's amazing. Look, we have a car. Wow. And now let's start with the Ferris wheel. Oh my, oh my, oh my. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? Oh, wow. Look what I did. Wow. Ferris wheel. Gigi. Looks amazing. It has so many pieces. Look at that. It's like magic. Okay, that was so much fun. And we should do this more often. I really like this. And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.